As an outdoor lover, when we jump into the car but encounter an unexpected situation. Introduce JS800 Portable Emergency Power Supply. Everything you need, Plug in a car jump starter adapter and quickly turn on the engine, and it's 1200 amps, current capable for a variety of large vehicles. And now here we go. Let's enjoy the stunning view on the way, But sometimes incident happens. JS800 can replenish tire pressure within 2 minutes. Also, it detects air pressure and stops working when the air pressure reaches automatically, not only for car tires, but also to inflate the ball, bicycles, mattresses, etc. It's time to enjoy and chill now. The JS800 Portable Emergency Power Supply has a USB output for daily use. JS800 flashlight has various modes, including high and standard brightness flashing and SOS signal. The brightness can reach 300 lumens, fully meeting the outdoor and dark environment needs. So why don't you put a handy tool in the trunk? Right? I mean JS800 Portable Emergency Power Supply.